this is what we're passionate about, is creating your business, like making your business a modern business, and evolving and seeing that your business can be the best it can be meet its productivity levels, and maximize profits. And we do this by many ways, but one of the keys to this is having the right software. And this is where we'd like to introduce you to Xero. So what does Xero do for you? First off, as I said, it's an accounting software package, and it does pretty much everything you would expect from an accounting software package, but it also does a bit more. First off, we're just going to touch on some of these things, but bank reconciliation. So basically how a traditional accounting software would work is you would enter a transaction. If you spent some money, you would say the amount that you spent, and then you would, on the other side, say what you spent it on, and you would put it to the right account. Your accountant would then look at that at the end of the year and make sure you did everything correct. He would fix up what needed fixing up, and it's quite a lengthy process. What Xero does is every day, sometimes twice a day, it goes and fetches your bank statement and all the activity that is on that bank statement. So it logs onto your bank account, and it gets all the info, pulls it down, and it imports it itself, and it shows you this is what your business or you spent money on during yesterday. All you then have to do is go and say, oh yes, this $1,000 that I spent, it's already there. You just have to say this was for stationery. Oh, that's a quite expensive stationery. This was for a laptop. And you just click OK, and it does it. It just sends that money spent to the right account by you just typing in the account. And you just go through bit by bit and sort it. So it's half the entries taken away, because you don't have to put in the amounts. You don't have to say where you bought it from. You just say which account it should go to and what it was for. Then Xero, that's one side of Xero. Xero can also do your payroll. It can work out, how much pay to, not the pay, but the tax on pay, the super. It works all that out for you. And as well, your employees can actually log on to their own Xero through your business. They won't be able to see any of your business's details, but they will, however, be able to see their own pays and leave accrued and how much tax they have paid. So they won't be bugging you all the time asking for you to print out pay slips. They can go online, log into their own Xero accounts, and print out their own pay slips. So it does payroll, but it does more than just payroll. It takes that load off of you and your employees. Xero does invoicing. It's a great way of invoicing. It makes it look real professional. You can put your company logos on there. You can set emails, so it emails invoices every month, recurring invoices automatically. And we'll touch on that in the next webinar again. But it does invoicing to the maximum. It's one of the best invoicing systems I've ever seen in my life. So it does invoicing as well. It does data controlling and so forth. And we'll touch on that. It's got add-ons so that can do that. And then lastly but surely, low cost and easy setup. As I said, you don't have to install it. There's no disk, there's no CD. You don't have system requirements for running Xero. Basically, all you need is a computer that can access the internet. So it's as easy as logging on and getting a password, registering with Xero, and you're on. And from there on, it's just plug and play, really. So very easy to get set up.